Hey, this is Ish, and today I want to talk to you about the fourth chakra, Anahata Chakra. So this is located in the heart area of the chest, and it's associated with the color green, and also that its qualities are love and compassion. So when this chakra is overstimulated, it manifests as neediness and also heartache as well. And I typically find that empaths tend to be a bit more overstimulated in this chakra. And on the flip side, people who are blocked in this chakra or just don't have enough of this energy, they tend to lose touch with their feelings and can almost seem a bit more robotic. And especially in people who are also lacking in the third chakra, this would be the Manipura chakra of personal power and strength. If they have imbalances in both, they tend to adopt more of that bully kind of energy where they have little regard for other people's emotions and they tend to boss people around due to the lack of the third chakra energy, or rather the overstimulation of that. So typical phrases you might hear from people who are blocked in this energy would be, oh, life is just work, no fun, you just got to keep working till you die. And on the flip side, people who are looking for love outside of themselves will be overactive in this chakra just because they don't have that enough love to give for themselves. So they tend to seek it from outside sources or other people. And in order to access this chakra, I do believe that you need to have a strong hara center. So this would be the power chakras, the first, second, and third. So once they're integrated, they build a strong base for you to work on this chakra. Because typically when you're working with this chakra, there's a lot of emotions and vulnerability that's associated that do come up. So you need to have that strength to deal with it. Another thing you can do to access this chakra would be to chant YAM, so that's Y-A-M. And you would chant that in heart openers that allow your heart to expand. So for example, one pose would be camel. So if you took camel pose, for example, in yoga, you would chant yum, yum, yum. And conversely, if you want to release excess energy, you would chant A. So you would do the pose and chant A while you do that. Now, certain actions you can take just to work on this chakra and the problems that you might have would be, one would be to write a letter of forgiveness, and it could be for yourself or to other people that you might have wronged. And you don't have to send it to them, but rather just write a letter, noting how you feel in the present moment and what you could have done to change things, but just write all your feelings out. And you can choose to send to them or not, but this will help you work through the emotions or blockages that you might have in this chakra. Another thing you can do is also incorporate loving kindness meditation in your practice. So the way to do that would be to first find a comfortable seat when you meditate, and first start by extending love and kindness to yourself. So you would chant or say to yourself, may I be well, may I be happy, may I be free from suffering, and may I be peaceful. And then you would repeat that to yourself a couple of times, then extend it out to your close family members, and then expand that circle to acquaintances as well. So you would say, may you be well, may you be happy, and may you be peaceful. And then eventually expand that circle to friends and people you don't know too well, and then just strangers as well. So that could help. So I hope this topic helps you, and if you have any other questions, feel free to leave me a message. Thank you.